Hello, my love.
I buried you. I was told you were dead. Where have you been all this time?
It's better that you don't know. What is the matter?
Mama, who's there? Daddy!
Hello, pumpkin.
I always knew you were alive. Always. So good you're here, Daddy.
So am I. But I don't know if your mom is. Will you take them? How long has it been since you've changed my wedding ring?
A loved one has come back into my life to turn it upside down. My name is Angela, and this is my love story.
You do realize that 6 years is a long time, don't you?
Yeah? You tell me.
We should sit down at the table and talk.
Do we have anything to talk about?
Mom, you can't let him go.
Ivan, please stay. We need to discuss something.
Honey, your birthday boy is home, and he even brought flowers to his beautiful... Wait, aren't you supposed to be...
Dead? Well, apparently I'm not. The guy from pharmacy, huh?
Well, I've been married to Angela for 3 years now, so I'm not just a guy from a pharmacy, okay?
Sorry, I really need to talk to my husband now.
I am your husband. I am your husband, and I really want to have a birthday dinner with you, okay?
I better go.
Dad, please don't go.
Yes, thank you, because you weren't invited.
And you've settled into my house pretty quickly, huh?
Ivan, please stay.
What? You choose him?
What the hell are you talking about?
Am I the bad guy now? Thanks for ruining my party. Thank you very much.
Mom.
Evie, go to your room, please.
No, I want to sit with his daddy.
Come on, honey. Eve, it's not a good time. I'll see you later. Okay?
You ruined everything.
I said go!
I hate you.
In 1 second, it was like a hurricane came out of nowhere and tore apart my settled life.
Evan!
And now everyone was waiting for me to make some kind of decision, as if I was responsible for everything that had happened.
What should I do? Give me a sign.
I didn't think you were still coming to our place.
I don't. Not since I found out you were dead.
Well, you didn't grieve for a long time. You found replacement for me easily.
How dare you say that? I couldn't breathe when they told me you were gone. If it hadn't been for Evie, I would have followed you into the afterlife without a second thought. I only stayed for her. I did everything I could to make sure our daughter had a full family. You say it was easy. There hasn't been a single day I hadn't thought of you.
In that second, it was as if all the problems had receded into the background. The most important thing then was that he was alive and he was around. But I had no idea what would happen next.
Do you remember how happy we were before I left? How we used to drink coffee on porch every morning?
I do. And I remember how long I tried to find you. I was looking for you everywhere. Until I realized that our daughter not only lost her father, but her mother too.
I'm sorry you had to go through all this.
I only made it through because of James.
Do you love him?
Evie and I never needed anything. He is a wonderful man.
I won't insist that you stay with me. It's up to you.
No, Ivan. You can't put all the decisions on me again. I've already done everything I can. And I couldn't have given our daughter the life she deserves if it weren't for James.
But I'm here now. And I'm not leaving my daughter again.
What's going on here?
Well, you know, we have to dot our I's and cross our T's, you know? Oh, there he is! There he is! I knew you would choose him. I knew you would choose him.
I'm married to James. Aren't you?
We'll talk about it later, okay?
Why? Why drag it out? Let's settle this here and now.
Okay, we will talk about it, but in the morning. No, please give me the gas gun.
No, let's settle this here and now. You understand me? And the cat is mine, so just stay away from me.
Angie, take Evie and go upstairs. He's upset. I'll deal with him myself.
Ah, you see, now he's making me look like I was a freaking psycho in the eyes of my own family. And why, Angie? Tell me why. What did I do to deserve all of this, huh?
Angie, don't.
Let me go. I wouldn't live with a psycho for so many years.
Mom, stay away from here.
James, you're a wonderful, noble man. You've helped me through the tragedy. You cared for me and my daughter. Anger won't fix anything. Please don't do what you set out to do.
Do you really think I would do that? He's always been between us, after all. Even his ghost has always been present in our relationship. And I've always been number two. And I've never had a problem with that. Never.
You have every right to hate me.
And I do, you know? But I don't want to ruin your love. Because I love you.
So why did you decide to come back?
Say goodbye. Grab a few things, you know? Take your gasoline and go to my cabin in the wood. Just step aside, you know? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going now.
No, please. Stay until morning, please. You can't go like that.
No.
Promise me you will not go.
Okay.
Promise me you stay here.
Okay, I promise. Well, let me go. Take good care of them.
I will. And I promise you too. I will never leave you again.
Sometimes there are challenges in life that seem impossible to pass. And then only true love can save the day.